Hi, my name is Gama Cancino. I am a builder with Rivendale Homes. And today I just wanted to show you a cool thing that we do in-house to make sure that your custom cabinets are protected throughout the whole project. As you know, as you're doing your budget, seeing what you can spend on, cabinets become a big centerpiece. And once you start shopping around, you realize one thing: cabinets are expensive, especially the type of cabinet you get, whether it's oak or walnut or even something paint graded. And that could easily be $20,000-$30,000 of your budget. So that's a big cost. In construction, the cabinets are usually put about halfway through the project. We have to do this because countertops go on top of it. And so we need that layout on the site so that way we can measure at the countertop, at the backsplash, at your plumbing and your fixtures that go along with alongside your kitchen and your counters and all that. That way you have a finished product. So think about that. From the middle of the project, you're dropping $20,000-$30,000, maybe even more. I'm here going on the lower side here. $20,000-$30,000 being dropped at the job site. How the heck are you gonna protect that, right? So one way that we do that is we wrap every door. Every door is gonna have a cover. And you notice these two doors here that I'm showing off are beautifully covered. Your uppers as well are getting covered. It's not very visible here from the video, but there's also a protective paper underneath this plastic. That way, your cabinet door gets protected. With all that done, the best way to prevent that issue is to try to be upfront of it. So all our project managers, you'll see them, they'll start covering it up. Our procedure usually to have these covered is upon delivery, usually 24 to 48 hours, it's going to be protected. So that's one way that we make sure the cabinets are protected. We do it fast, right away, and make sure that it's done right. And on top of that, again, very expensive. You want to make sure we're taking care of them. So we're going to do that for you. That's already included in the package you're buying, whether it's a spec home we're building or your dream custom home. That's what we'll do that to make sure that everything's taken care of and done nice. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Hope you learned a little bit about how Rivendale Homes goes a little bit above and beyond just on the minor details, right? Protecting your cabinets. We're gonna do it. We don't want you to get scratches. We don't want to be also switching doors and trying to match colors and all that. So that's one way we avoid that headache. Thanks for watching this video. Also, if you have any other cool tips or you've seen other people cover the cabinets, please share with us. We're more than happy to learn from others as well to improve our quality and protect the cabinet.